Good morning! Mga unta guys, o pakbit. So si Ili, mukaon ni siya og beans. You like beans, right? So you can get a beans. Okay, here's the beans. Take it. Take it your hand. Okay. Mukaon na siya og beans. Favorite niya. You like it? You like beans, right? You like beans? Hot. It's hot. I'll give you another one here. It's hot, baby. It's hot. Okay, hold on. Hot? Don't drop. Huh. Kaon siya beans. You like okra too, right? You like okra? Kain siya, guys. Kain kami. No, just let mama. Hello, everyone.